Hi everyone, I am Swami Malai and welcome back to Kalaskalakrithi. In this episode, of course, we are going to talk about the month of Margazhi. Margazhi, the month is so close to my heart. And of course, Andal. Andal is my first love. I wait to sing the verses of the Tirupavai every year. I wait for Margazhi to come. But this year, incidentally, I wasn't at home for too long and I had guests. And so I did whatever I could for Andal. Do take a look. As I was busy the whole month, on the Kudaravalli day, I decided to create an Andal. Let's see how she happened to be created. Though I was inspired to create her, it wasn't easy. I had a villaku and a wooden bar which I had cut a day or two before for some other purpose. I made use of these wooden bars, one horizontal and one vertical, on top of which I had placed the creedam, below that her face, and in between the flowers. Of course, I purchased this Changa Chakra and used a cushion to create her body. The hastams I already had, and so also the feet. And so attach them with rubber bands and thread, and there she was, blended so beautifully with what was on my mind. I went on to make her wear a sari, which wasn't easy either because the sari was very big, and then added jewels, bangles, necklaces, udyanam, and all that I had. Attached a chowri for a long hair, got some flowers and made her wear it as a garland, and there she was, sitting right in front of me, and I couldn't believe my eyes that she has blended so beautifully and come out so alive. This was my first attempt at making her, and I was absolutely humbled by the way she herself came alive for me. So I don't think I did anything. It wasn't me. It was she who came alive, created herself. This is my Zen area where I meditate, and she absolutely amazed me by the way she just took on everything and blended so beautifully, and I could sit for hours just looking at her. There you can see the little parrot, the green parrot, and I made some chakra pongal for her as Naivedyam, and so decided to share this experience of mine with you all. This year it so happened that on the Vaikuntha Ekadasi day, 3 Andals sculpted in Panchalokam at Swami Malai visited me and stayed with me for some time. This took away the feeling that I did not do much for her this Margazhi. She blessed me by her visit. Do take a look. They are to be installed in different temples in Tamil Nadu. Utsava Murtis are installed. They are taken round after they are sculpted to different houses where pujas and sasanamams are read, and they are given power and then installed in the respective temples. My Andal too sat with them. and of course recited the Tirupavai several times during the day when they were there with me, along with Sahasranama. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Margazhi with Andal. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe if you did like my videos.